Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the dispenser paddle switch in this Samsung refrigerator, unplug the appliance's power cord. Pull the dispenser paddle forward to detach. Pull the retaining tabs outward to release the switch. Note the orientation of the wires connected to the switch, then disconnect them. To install the new dispenser paddle switch, connect the wires to the terminals. Align the switch in the bracket and snap it into place. Realign the paddle and snap it into position. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.